Okay, here's the deal. In Hall and a
Hey there, buddy. We trimming that mane of yours this morning? Nice coif. An interesting look for you. Not bad, if I do say so myself. That cut suits you nicely. Nice coif. An interesting look for you. Looking good, kid. See you next time.
or
What's up, skater? Got anything in mind this afternoon? Looking good there. What do you think of those pants? Those pants are sharp. How you liking those pants? Looking good there. Those pants working for you? Good call. Need something else? That shirt's a good fit for you. Good looking shirt. You're gonna like that shirt. That shirt's a good fit for you. You're gonna like that shirt. That shirt's a good fit for you. Good looking shirt. Nice pick. Anything more for you?
Who's that cute chick I saw you talking to earlier?
Huh? Oh, Mindy. Yeah, she's cool.
I saw you trying to...
Yeah?
The caveman. Try it out a few times. What?
Oh, big deal.
You can use it to switch to walk, and then grind again. Now you try it, tough guy. So, will you introduce me to Mindy?
All right. Follow. Hey, Mindy.
that's hey. If you complete each day. Oh, if you don't know where the 118 board shop is, try using your compass. I'll see you there. There are skate shops all around Los Angeles that offers the fat each every night for one, like the Tony Hawk. You should.
how's it going? What you need this afternoon? You don't have enough loot, buddy. You don't have enough money. Come back when you do. Get some more cash or we've got no deal. You're short on coin. Come back when you're not broke. Get some more cash or we've got no deal. You're short on coin. Come back when you don't have enough cash. You don't have enough loot, buddy. You don't have enough money. Come back when you do. You're short on coin. Come back when you're not broke. You don't have enough loot, buddy. You don't have enough money. Come back when you do. Take off, kid. I got no time.
Man, that guy rips.
Oh, that's Dwayne.
Yo, Mindy, what up?
He's new in town, and he's
I might.
Come on, man. Of course I can do.
Cool.
Wow, do you think he'll...
If he does, he's got guts. Hoofleck has some pretty... Oh, right. Way to take care of that Hoofleck tool. Man, he sucked in Pearl Harbor. All right, it's time to take your skating to the next level. I'm about to teach you how to manual. It's real easy. Watch me manual. Now you try it a few times. Now it's time to practice your manual back. Manual from the to the start. Cool. Now meet me over.
Hey man, sorry about bailing on you back there.
What, are you scared of?
Man, shut your trap, okay? I dig chicks.
Hey, Ian, this is the dude that owned Hoofleck.
That was you? Nice one. That guy is to revert? Now you give it a try. Air.
Whoa! No. He's hanging out by Hollywood.
What do you want, Kentucky?
You know what I want. Give me back my stuff or
Else what?
all right.
Oh, you're on, noob. I hope you... No way. Beginner's luck.
Gonna give me my stuff?
Sure. Come. No way.
Gonna give me.
Sure.